Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer XRP from your Ledger hardware wallet to Crypto.com in 2025. Whether you're looking to trade, stake, or just manage your crypto better, this step-by-step tutorial will get you there safely and efficiently. First things first, make sure you have your Ledger device set up, the Ledger Live app installed on your computer, and a verified Crypto.com account. Oh, and don't forget to have some XRP in your Ledger wallet. We're talking about the real deal here, not testnets. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect your Ledger device to your computer via USB and open the Ledger Live app. Unlock your device with your PIN for security. Next, in Ledger Live, navigate to the Accounts section and select your XRP account. If you don't see it, you might need to add it first by going to the Manager tab and installing the XRP app on your Ledger. Step 2. Head over to your Crypto.com app or website. Log in, go to your wallet, and find your XRP deposit address. Copy that address carefully. It's your destination for the transfer. Double check that it's for the XRP network. In 2025, we're dealing with the latest protocols, so ensure everything matches. Now, back to Ledger Live. In your XRP account, click on Send and paste the Crypto.com address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, but remember to leave enough for network fees. XRP transactions are super cheap, but fees can vary. Review the details, and when you're ready, confirm the transaction on your Ledger device by checking the screen and pressing the buttons. Once sent, keep an eye on the transaction status. It should show up in your Crypto.com wallet within a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Pro tip: always use the official apps and double-check addresses to avoid scams. Crypto security is no joke. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred XRP from Ledger to Crypto.com. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe out there, and happy trading.